So today we are going to just explore more on the ChatGPT, and we can see what ChatGPT can do for us. So first let's see if ChatGPT can correct our code. I'm going to write a simple selector statement with a typo, and let's see if it can correct that. I'm going to write simple select statement. Okay, so I've typed a typo. From, it should be a from. Let's see if it can correct. So I typed, can you correct above statement? That's it. Correct statement would be this. Let's see, can you find the error and statement? Oops, I didn't take. So let me try like this. Can you find the error in above statement? Let's see. So yep, it's it. There is a typo. Yeah. Okay. So let me check, can this give me the recursive CT? SQL Server. Yep, it will give me the recursive CTE. Yep. So what we can do? Okay, maybe we can search something in JavaScript. Can you write a script to open URL JavaScript? Yep, it provided that script as well. Can you provide a script to openai URL 10 tabs? Let's see. Yep, it gave me this script as well. Okay, so this is going to help us in our coding. So whenever we are stuck somewhere, we can just ask, or we can type just small snippet of the code, and we can ask where is the error. Yeah, this can help us. Also, if you want to take help on this, writing some article, maybe it can help in there as well. So if I type write an article on SQL select statement, okay, so it wrote an article. Nice. Okay. So I can stop generating this. So yep, so we can do a lot of things on this. I'll do more things on this in next video. So this was just a small exploration on how this can be queried, searched, and how we can provide a script and if it can find the errors in the script. So we'll talk about the ChatGPT in next video more.